Hey, welcome everyone. And so I don't do this every single week, but I do try and send out fairly often just a short video to kind of make sure you and I are on the same page, or if there's some content thing I need to clarify or whatever the case might be, I'll just send out just a short video. And so this being week number 1, and I know most people do a lot of their work over the weekend. And so I wanted to get this out on a Friday. I think your key thing to be successful in this class is obviously, like I said in the email, read the syllabus, go through that Start Here folder. But when you're going through that Start Here folder, look at the items that pertain to the discussion forums. What makes a good or an excellent discussion forum versus those that don't? And once you see samples, and I literally have sample, posts in there that you can use to make sure that you're crafting your posts properly. Make sure you spend some time doing that. Also, the quiz, it pertains to the textbook. And so make sure if you don't have the textbook, it's vital that you get it. If let's just take a worst case scenario though, you're sitting here, it's Friday, you're not going to have your textbook until next week. You have to use web resources because pretty much every one of those questions, one way or another, you can answer them via the internet. Obviously, that's not ideal, right? We don't want to do that frequently, but hey, we have to survive from week to week. And so if you have to survive using the internet to answer your quiz questions, then go ahead and do it. Okay, so with that, I think so far what I'm seeing is excellent work. I think as we go through week 1 and we go through week 2, probably the most significant thing is you understand the expectations, because see, here's what's going to happen. Once you understand the expectations well, every single week, yes, the content is going to change, the topics are going to change, but the format and the style is going to remain consistent. And so when you write and you post and you answer quizzes, you're just going to consistently start popping out A's because you know exactly what you need to do to reach into the A category. Your goal should be, when you see those first grades that come in, to score 95% or higher. If you hit above 95%, you are hitting in what's called the excellent category, meaning you've met every standard that I have expected. If you get a perfect score, let me tell you, that's one of the less than 10%, because I don't give more than 10% perfect score. Perfect means literally without flaw, no errors. Content is above and beyond the Call of Duty as far as that goes. And so a perfect score literally means textbook definition perfect. That's awesome when you can get there and if you get there, but your real goal is to get above 95%. If you do that on all of your assignments, you're going to cruise to the end of this class. You're going to get your A, you're going to walk away from your humanities, and you're going to do really well. So with that, I appreciate all the work that's been done so far. Those of you that have contacted me with questions, never hesitate to ask me questions, right? Because that's what I'm here to do for you. My goal is to get every one of you to the finish line and get you across the finish line with an A. I've never actually had it happen, in all honesty, and I don't know if I ever will, but that's my goal going in. And it should be your goal too during week 1, that you're going to get an A in the class. So with that, hope you have a wonderful weekend. Best of luck finishing up your content in module number 1, because that's what we're working on here. And remember, that due date on that assignment is on Sunday, August the 22nd at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Best of luck with it and have yourself a wonderful weekend. We'll see you and talk to you again in the next video.